Rich is in there for a strike.
Yep.
Back up for money down there. The team out here stolen bases.
I don't think so.
Go 3 and haven't scored.
I'm just saying, can't see the thank you count, right?
But he did score 100.
No, shouldn't be good.
Back in the
Anyone take his one to rid of. I'll take it.
There's a ground ball right
Good time,
back.
man.
Ray has it to his left. Right to first for the outside. Tires the side.
Oh, yeah, I know.
The A's lead the
Mark, you
A's
have a picture of that?
Then he stretch time at Fenway. It is 9-2 Boston on the Strong 78 Red Sox Radio Network.
You see that close.
Brought to you by the Vernon Cancer Center at Newton Wellesley Hospital.
Now, you wait for a rain delay, Johnny, right?
Innovative
All of a sudden, 3 innings are going like that.
Visit them online at NWH.